hard at the bottom. You shake it up. Shake it up in here. Then you just wait. By like 5 minutes, then that's when it's gonna. The fire is gonna build up and it's gonna be ready. Then when you see the coals turn white, then it's cooking time. And then we back in the kitchen with it. We got the spare ribs right here. We got them in cold water. I'm about to take the membrane out from the back. The membrane is really like a tough skin on the back that really don't need to be there. So I usually take it out first instead of just keeping it on there like some other people do. Like you can if you want to, if you want if you wanted to stay on the bone, but we like ours to fall off the bone a little bit. So that's what I'm about to do right now. We got a fresh set of black gloves. You know, you see the black gloves, you get taxed. You know, that's what everybody gets right now, you know. But yeah, I switch it out in between after this. Because you don't want all of that to touch the seasoning, contaminating the seasoning of meat. Everybody eat your food, get sick. But yeah, I'm starting off from the back. Sometimes some a little tougher from the back right here, but as you can see, sometimes it'll come right in your hands and slip into there. But I gotta get a knife real quick. Take it out the water. Right here, usually I just just take the knife, just like a little small knife, just to go in there in the back. Trying to connect all this membrane. That's just like the tough extra skin you don't really need to taste. Some people keep it on there to be just lazy, just put the seasoning on top and put it on the grill, but sometimes you gotta trim it and go the extra mile if you want the right taste, you know. The knife cuts through it sometimes, but the membrane is tough to pull out on its own sometimes. As you see right here, we got the spare rib trimmed down, and we took the membrane from the back. Everything's smooth, silky. Had to trim it up because there was a lot of fat that I had to take off. This was all the fat and membrane right here. You don't want to chew on all that. The seasoning is not gonna get fully on the meat. So yeah, it's at that time. We're about to season and get it ready. It's time to season the rubs. You know, I got a few seasons I'm gonna use. I got my own season, all-purpose barbecue rub. It's the first one of its kind. I'm gonna try it out on one of the slabs. And the other slab, I'm just traditionally how I'll do it. Usually, I just keep it real simple. I just use some Atkins all-purpose right here, barbecue season. This is normally how I usually do it before I made my own. That's why I just use. Good coverage on there. As I'm putting season down, I'm packing it down on there. You want to have one glove on so you can pack it down and then turn it over. You need good coverage because some of the coverage will come off from the barbecue. And flip it. This is gonna be the regular controlled, and then the other one is gonna be like with my own seasoning because it's still inexperienced. Like it's the first sample, and we're gonna keep going from there. But flip it over. Yeah, get good coverage on the back. But make sure you get on the meat part, just not all the way on the bone. Because the bone is gonna get burnt up. Just packing on. And just keep going from there. Everybody say they got the sauce and Texas, you know what I'm saying? But I got the seasoning, you know. One Foods is coming back in it. All-purpose rub. This is the first sample. I'm trying it out on one slab of the ribs. The other one I just did it basic base. You see what comes out of it. It smells real good. It's funky. This is that good smell right here. That's when you know it's gonna, you see how it's seasoned up on there though? Hey, you got some.
That bitch sticky.
Yeah, it's sticking on there. And then, as you can see, I was saying that the ingredients should be on video. You should, when I put it on there, I'll show you. It's gonna be a whole tab with the ingredients. Gotta pack it down on there. good coverage. Now on the meat side, this whole bag of seasoning would be sold as a whole one bag. So each set is its own set. Some people like to cut back on seasoning and then make it 2-in-1 and all that. It's good coverage though. And pack it down on there. It look delicious, don't it? Got the seasoning, man. They said they got the sauce. I got my own seasoning. 26. We going up with it. Got the white coals. Everything's ready to cook up. Here's the first slab. The control simple base. And then here comes my rub right here. Testing it out. New first sample, first edition. And they're ready to rock and roll. We're ready to cook up, man. With the butcher paper now, we got a little smoke coming. We got the mahogany cover. Start at the butcher paper right here. Put it down. Put my black glove on, you know. Get right to it. Put the slab down on the paper. Just put it right in the middle. Fold it in. About to do the same thing to the next slab. And on the way back to the pit. This slab right here, as you can see, the 1-in-1 seasoning right here. Got my own rub on it. Hey, you finna lock it down with the butcher paper. You put it back on the grill for the smoke. Got the other one wrapped up. And then this is going too. Smoke these boys on the grill, and then we're gonna taste this right after. Tune in with me. I'll cut up with the ribs right here. We got the spare ribs. The left side is my seasoning. The right side is the competition. You want to see how it come out? It came out good. Smoke ring on it. Get the rib, seasoned to perfection. Yeah, we're in the ball game. I just gotta tweak him a little more, put a little more on the salt end. But it's for sure got the taste, for real though. No cap. You see it right there. Let me try the other one. Yeah, for the root. Oh, this one's good as well. Damn. For a quick rib, this is good. This is 1-in-1.
Now we got the last one. You know, it's your boy on KG Live. We on the 1-in-1 Food Network. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to show love. We're going to do a little taste tester right quick. You know what I'm saying? Usually, the barbecue be a little different sometimes when you ain't got them old niggas that got that little belly out there. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that boy TG, he been doing this since the level, you know? So, we're going to try it out. We're going to try the first one out. So, I think this is the...
This is the one with the seasoning.
Okay. Okay, so this is the seasoning. We're going to try that one. That's juicy too. I like them flavors on there. I just need a little more salt.
Yeah,
that's about it. You know what I'm saying? Once you put a little more salt on that mud, you good.
Yeah, we're in the ball game with it.
We just got a little pepper taste to it. You know what I'm saying? I see that seasoning on there. It's real good. It's uniform.
In there, yeah.
He did this in a few hours too. It went him all day.
Yeah, it's a good quick reel with that mud.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, what's the rate you give it, you know?
I'm give it a solid 8.
Yeah.
We're gonna go 8. So this is the rub right here, okay? We're gonna do that one. So we're gonna try this one too. Yeah, both of them on there.
Yeah, small ring.
The control stuff, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see that control?
Yeah, you see that smoke on there.
Oh, this is the original flavor right here. Yeah, this is the original flavor. I like that one.
Yeah.
You know what that one's gonna do every time. But you cook like one of them old ugly niggas. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know them ugly niggas don't know how to cook good like that. But yeah. I thought you would've been ugly, bro.
It's in the DNA.
Damn, it good. Okay, I'm gonna give this one 9.5. The control, I'm gonna have to get that 9.5, bro.
Yeah.
Cause this is what you've been doing your whole life. Same exact real right here. I'm gonna get them 9.5.
Alright.
I've been bit the bone too. I've been like, like one of the pit bulls. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Shout out that boy TG Wayne, man. Hey, he been doing the thing, man. I see it.
101
He's the whole
foods.
bone, man.
101 foods and 101 seasoning. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna be back on the drama too.
Yeah. Like, share, subscribe, you new. We got more food content on the way, more cooking, more about the seasoning, more about everything else that's coming, the events. Hey, stay tapped in, the website. Hey, stay right here. Like, share, subscribe, you new. It's TG Wayne. I'm up out of here, man.